Crypto isn't just a trend. It's rewriting the rules of global finance. Are you ready for what's next? In just over a decade, cryptocurrency has evolved from a digital experiment to a financial powerhouse. From everyday investors to global banks, the world is paying attention. This isn't just about Bitcoin or blockchain, it's about redefining how we store, move, and grow our money. In this video, we'll explore how crypto is disrupting traditional finance, the surprising ways it's changing lives, and what it means for the future of wealth. Discover how cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the global financial system. From decentralization to digital wallets, this is the new age of money. Welcome to Tales from the Crypto Files, where innovation meets opportunity.
Bitcoin is revolutionizing finance, but how? Ivan Soda-Wright, MoonPay's co-founder, believes America must lead the global crypto movement. He argues Bitcoin is the new gold for youth, with potential to reshape wealth distribution. But what challenges lie ahead for crypto? Regulations and skepticism threaten its rise. Yet, the potential for innovation is immense. Could Bitcoin truly become the future of finance?
Bitcoin's price skyrocketed to $100,000 in December 2024, but soon after, it plummeted dramatically, leaving many investors questioning their decisions. However, on May 8, 2025, Bitcoin surprised everyone again, reaching an astonishing new high of $111,000 just weeks later. This roller coaster journey raised a crucial question. Is Bitcoin worth the risk? Despite volatility, many believe in its long-term potential. Could this be the future of finance, or just a fleeting trend?
Crypto millionaires are living luxuriously on yachts, but their wealth comes with a dark secret. Many lost everything in a single day. As their investments plummeted unexpectedly, they fled to yachts to escape creditors. But isolation brought its own challenges. Some turned to risky ventures to survive, while others plotted their next move. In the end, only a few would thrive. What will happen to the rest? Stay tuned. Crypto millionaires are buying islands for $5 million. But why are they making this choice? Many believe it's for privacy and escape, but the truth is much more shocking. These islands are also seen as safe havens, as crypto regulations tighten worldwide. Some are even planning to create their own nations, leading to a new era of digital sovereignty. But what happens when these islands become too popular? Will they still be the ultimate escape, or just another trend?
Coinbase transformed how people trade crypto, but many still struggle to navigate it. They often miss crucial steps in trading. One mistake can lead to massive losses. Yet, a simple guide can change everything. They learned to avoid common pitfalls, and now they share their success stories.
This secret method revealed crypto's hidden potential, but few understood blockchain's true power. They thought buying crypto was risky and complicated, yet the truth was simpler than they imagined. In just 3 steps, anyone could start investing, but security was often overlooked, leading to losses. They discovered that 2-factor authentication was crucial, and that keeping private keys safe was non-negotiable. By the end, they realized crypto was not just a trend, but a revolutionary tool for financial freedom.
PayPal's new feature shocked the finance world, allowing people to buy crypto instantly. But what does this mean for investors? Many believe it could change everything. But experts warn of hidden risks. Could this lead to a crypto bubble? Investors are torn between excitement and fear. As the market fluctuates, one question remains. Is this the future of finance or a risky gamble?
Bitcoin was created to challenge banks' control. In 2009, the first transaction shocked the world. But what happened next changed everything. Governments scrambled to understand this new currency. In 2013, Bitcoin's value skyrocketed to $1,000. But then a massive crash left many devastated. Despite setbacks, Bitcoin's resilience amazed everyone. Today, Bitcoin is a global phenomenon worth billions. What does the future hold for this digital currency?
How did one woman turn $1,000 into a mansion? She discovered a hidden real estate strategy. Investing in undervalued properties was key. She flipped houses, turning profits quickly. With each flip, her confidence grew. She reinvested profits into bigger projects. Finally, she bought her dream mansion. Her story inspires countless others to invest.
El Salvador plans a $17 billion Bitcoin city, promising zero taxes and zero emissions. But what will this mean for its citizens? Critics warn of potential pitfalls and risks, while supporters claim it will revolutionize living. But how will it impact the economy long-term? Experts predict a surge in innovation and jobs. But will it truly benefit everyone equally? As construction begins, the world watches closely. What happens next could change everything.
Investors lost millions when Cash App stocks crashed. They thought buying stocks was easy, but hidden fees and risks lurked beneath. Many were unaware of the trading limits, and a sudden market dip caught them off guard. They learned the hard way about market volatility. Only a few knew how to navigate these waters. The secret: understanding the market's pulse. Those who adapted quickly thrived, while others faltered. Investing isn't just buying stocks, it's a strategy. The lesson learned: knowledge is power.
Ethereum transformed finance by eliminating middlemen. This technology operates on a decentralized network, allowing transactions without banks or authorities. Imagine insurance without the insurance company, or real estate titles without title companies. This shift could save billions in transaction fees, but what happens when everyone adopts it? Experts predict a future where financial control is in their hands. This could redefine wealth and power dynamics globally. Will they embrace this change or resist it?
Cryptocurrency emerged as a revolutionary payment method, but the first Bitcoin transaction shocked the world, as a pizza was bought for 10,000 Bitcoins. This transaction is now worth millions, but many still don't understand how it works. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, which ensures secure and anonymous transactions. However, the market is volatile and unpredictable. In 2021, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $64,000. But just months later, it crashed to $30,000. This roller coaster journey leaves many questioning: is cryptocurrency the future of money? In underserved communities, cryptocurrencies emerged unexpectedly as traditional financial systems failed them. Data shows Asian, Black, and Hispanic individuals are leading the charge, with 40% more likely to invest than their white counterparts. They discovered a new path to financial independence, but faced challenges from skepticism and misinformation. Despite the hurdles, they pushed forward, seeking knowledge, and soon success stories began to emerge. This movement is reshaping their financial futures forever. Could this be the future of finance for everyone? Blockchain technology.
Crypto millionaires are secretly funding schools, but only in underserved communities. They discovered a shocking statistic: 70% of schools in these areas lack basic resources. Determined to make a difference, he launched a campaign and within months raised over $5 million. The funds transformed schools with new technology, but the real impact was beyond numbers. They realized education could change lives forever.
Why did 5,000 families suddenly switch? They discovered cryptocurrency payments were accepted, allowing them to bypass traditional banks and avoid high transaction fees. This shift saved families thousands annually. But what was the real reason behind their move? They were part of a larger trend towards financial freedom, and they weren't alone in this revolution. This trend is reshaping economies everywhere, and it all started with just 5,000 families.
Cryptocurrency transformed lives in unbanked communities where traditional banking failed to reach them. In 2020, over 1.7 billion people were unbanked, but cryptocurrency offered a lifeline. People began trading goods and services directly, with some earning millions in just a year. In 2021, one community saw a 300% increase in income, proving that innovation can change lives. But challenges still loom on the horizon. Will they navigate these hurdles successfully? The future of these communities depends on it.
Local businesses doubled profits after adopting blockchain technology. They faced skepticism from traditional investors, but a small tech startup offered a solution. They decided to take a leap of faith, implementing blockchain for transparency and efficiency. Within months, profits skyrocketed by 150%. They became a case study for success. Now they inspire others to embrace innovation. What was the secret behind their transformation? It was the courage to adapt and innovate.
Crypto investors risked everything, losing $1 billion. In just 1 week, fortunes vanished overnight. Many believed they were on the verge of wealth, but a sudden market crash shattered their dreams. Experts warned of a looming bubble, but few listened. As panic spread, some resorted to desperate measures. By the end of the week, many were left broke. This crash exposed the fragility of crypto investments. What lessons can be learned from this disaster? Investing requires caution, not just blind faith. This shocking event will reshape the crypto landscape.
Bitcoin's price skyrocketed to $100,000 in December 2024, but soon after, it plummeted dramatically, leaving many investors questioning their decisions. However, on May 8, 2025, Bitcoin surprised everyone again, reaching an astonishing new high of $111,000 just weeks later. This roller coaster journey raised a crucial question. Is Bitcoin worth the risk? Despite volatility, many believe in its long-term potential. Could this be the future of finance or just a fleeting trend?
Ethereum transformed finance by eliminating middlemen. This technology operates on a decentralized network, allowing transactions without banks or authorities. Imagine insurance without the insurance company, or real estate titles without title companies. This shift could save billions in transaction fees, but what happens when everyone adopts it? Experts predict a future where financial control is in their hands. This could redefine wealth and power dynamics globally. Will they embrace this change or resist it?
Why are locals embracing Bitcoin in El Salvador? Many believe it brings economic opportunities. Local businesses are thriving with Bitcoin payments. Financial inclusion is reaching the unbanked. Skeptics worry about volatility and risks, but many see it as a path to freedom. Bitcoin's impact is reshaping daily life. Could this be the future of finance in El Salvador?
Bitcoin's rise shocked the financial world, transforming it into a global currency powerhouse. But what caused this unprecedented surge? In 2017, Bitcoin hit $20,000, but the crash that followed shocked everyone. Many believed Bitcoin was dead, yet it rose from the ashes, stronger than ever. In 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $64,000. What lies ahead for Bitcoin's future? Could it become the world's primary currency? The answer may surprise everyone.
Bitcoin was labeled a scam by many, but what if it was the future of finance? Many believe it's just magic internet money, but its technology could change everything. In 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high, and today, you should catch the Bitcoin wave. Yet many still think it's a bubble waiting to burst. But did they know that 46 million Americans own Bitcoin? This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. The real question is, will they embrace it? The future of finance could be in their hands. What will they choose to believe?
How did a teenager turn $500 into a luxury car? They discovered a hidden talent for mechanics. With $500, they bought a broken-down vehicle. They worked day and night to restore it. Friends doubted their ability to succeed, but they kept pushing forward, learning fast. After weeks of hard work, it was finally ready. They sold it for $5,000, shocking everyone. With the profits, they bought a luxury car. This incredible journey proves anything is possible. They discovered a shocking truth about Bitcoin mining. After 1 year, their electricity bill skyrocketed. They invested thousands in mining machines. But the revenue generated was mind-blowing. They earned over $5,000 in profit. A 150% price increase changed everything. They faced unexpected challenges along the way. In the end, was it worth it? The final revelation will shock everyone.
This secret was hidden until now. as millions lost their savings overnight. They thought their digital assets were safe, but hackers had other plans. In just minutes, they drained accounts, leaving behind a trail of devastation. But one solution could have saved them all. Hardware wallets protect assets offline, making them immune to online threats. Now you know the truth. Will you make the switch before it's too late? Secure your crypto and NFTs far from hackers' reach. We highly recommend a Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet.
Why are millionaires buying houses with Bitcoin? They discovered a hidden advantage in transactions. Bitcoin offers anonymity that cash cannot. This method protects their wealth from taxes. They can buy properties without revealing identities. But what happens when regulations catch up? Many fear losing their investments overnight, yet they continue to invest, believing in the future. The truth is, Bitcoin is reshaping real estate. Many people lost fortunes trading crypto, but few understand its true volatility. They often jump in without research, failing to choose between long-term or short-term strategies. Learning to read charts is crucial, but selecting the right exchange can make or break them. Many fail to grasp the risks involved, but understanding these steps can lead to success.
Cryptocurrency ETFs are revolutionizing investments. They offer a simple way to enter crypto, but many are unaware of the risks involved. They can lose money just as quickly, yet the potential rewards are immense. Investors need to research before diving in. They must understand market volatility. Diversification is key to minimizing risks. They should only invest what they can afford to lose. With knowledge, they can navigate this new frontier.
One investor turned $100 into $10 million overnight, using a secret strategy that shocked everyone. He had discovered a hidden pattern in trading. But the market was about to crash unexpectedly. He made a risky bet against the market. As the crash hit, his strategy unfolded perfectly. In just hours, he became a millionaire. But what was the secret strategy he used? This strategy has remained hidden until now. Crypto traders are now buying luxury cars with Bitcoin profits, shocking the industry. This trend started after a massive Bitcoin surge. In just 3 months, profits soared by 300%. Many believe this is just the beginning. But experts warn of potential market crashes. What happens next could change everything. Will luxury cars become the new status symbol?
Bitcoin could skyrocket this year despite downturns, as one CEO predicts explosive growth ahead. He reveals a secret strategy that could change everything. Many investors are unaware of this hidden opportunity. He explains how market cycles can favor Bitcoin's rise. Data shows Bitcoin's resilience during downturns. Experts predict a surge could happen this year. What happens next could redefine the crypto landscape.
What if a simple mistake cost millions? They accidentally sent funds to the wrong wallet, which was irreversible and lost forever. This mistake is more common than you think. Over 20% of crypto transactions are sent incorrectly, leading to billions in losses annually. But there are ways to protect your assets. Using hardware wallets can secure your investments. You can also enable two-factor authentication. These steps can save you from disaster. Keep your crypto secure everywhere with a hardware wallet. Secure and manage your crypto with a Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet.
What if a digital currency could change everything? They discovered a way to bypass banks, enabling transactions without borders or fees. But then, governments began to react, banning cryptocurrencies to maintain control, leading to a massive underground market, where fortunes were made and lost overnight. Finally, a shocking revelation emerged. The hack exposed vulnerabilities in the system, but it also revealed the true power of decentralization.
Crypto experts reveal why 90% of investors fail, because they ignore crucial market signals. Many believe they can time the market perfectly, but experts warn against this dangerous myth. They emphasize the importance of research and patience. Yet most investors rush in without a plan. Statistics reveal that 90% lose money within a year, but there is a way to beat the odds. By understanding the market and staying informed, they can turn the tide and succeed.
Cryptocurrency emerged as a revolutionary payment method, but the first Bitcoin transaction shocked the world, as a pizza was bought for 10,000 Bitcoins. This transaction is now worth millions, but many still don't understand how it works. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, which ensures secure and anonymous transactions. However, the market is volatile and unpredictable. In 2021, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $64,000. But just months later, it crashed to $30,000. This roller coaster journey leaves many questioning. Is cryptocurrency the future of money? A famous influencer lost thousands of followers after promoting a controversial cryptocurrency coin. Many fans felt betrayed by her endorsement, as the coin's value plummeted rapidly. This influencer had previously built trust over years, but this decision shattered that trust instantly. In just 1 week, she lost over 100,000 followers. Experts say this could be a turning point in influencer marketing. Could this be the end of blind trust in influencers? The answer is a definite no.
Cryptocurrency transformed lives in unbanked communities where traditional banking failed to reach them. In 2020, over 1.7 billion people were unbanked, but cryptocurrency offered a lifeline. People began trading goods and services directly, with some earning millions in just a year. In 2021, one community saw a 300% increase in income, proving that innovation can change lives. But challenges still loom on the horizon. Will they navigate these hurdles successfully? The future of these communities depends on it.
Local schools thrived after crypto millionaires funded programs. They invested millions into innovative technology. But the real impact was in the arts and sports. They launched scholarships for underprivileged students. Enrollment skyrocketed, transforming the community. But not everyone was happy with these changes. Some believed it was too much too fast. Yet the students thrived, showcasing their talents. Ultimately, the community united for a brighter future. They discovered the true power of collaboration. This funding changed lives and inspired others.
A small town transformed overnight by crypto millionaires as they invested millions into tech startups. But what drove them to choose this town? Local legends spoke of hidden tech genius. They uncovered a forgotten inventor's blueprint. This blueprint contained revolutionary ideas. As they brought these ideas to life, the town's economy skyrocketed within months. But not everyone was thrilled about the change. Could this tech boom be too much too fast? In the end, they found a balance. This town became a beacon of innovation.
Cryptocurrency emerged as a revolutionary concept, but it faced a major challenge: double spending. This led to the birth of blockchain technology, which securely records every transaction. Each block is linked, making tampering impossible. This innovation prevented fraud and built trust. Now, cryptocurrencies are used worldwide, but what happens when regulations catch up? Could this disrupt the entire financial system? The future of money is at stake.
Why did 10,000 people flock to a small town? It all started with a mysterious tweet. The tweet promised a groundbreaking revelation. People believed it would change their financial futures. But the real reason was hidden in plain sight. The figure was a notorious crypto influencer. They had a secret strategy that could double investments, but only a select few would be chosen. The influencer's plan was to reveal it all at the end. What happened next shocked everyone present. The secret was a revolutionary investment technique. It transformed the small town into a crypto hub, and it all started with a single tweet. This one crypto conference changed everything for 1,000 people. Attendees arrived with dreams of wealth and success, but they were about to uncover a shocking secret. The conference featured a mysterious guest speaker. This speaker revealed a strategy that could change lives. Many attendees were skeptical but intrigued. Then, a shocking statistic was shared. The secret was a specific investment approach. By the end, 1,000 lives were transformed. Now this strategy is changing the crypto game forever.
Don't just watch the crypto revolution. Be part of it. Subscribe for more insider stories from the Crypto Files.